Assalamu alaikum to everyone and welcome to this channel, and today we will solve the fifth original solved paper of SPSC screening test. So question number 1 is, digital computer was invented by option D, Ward Akin. Length of Indus River is option C, 3000 kilometers. Santiago is the capital of option C, Chile. Punjab was invented by British in option C, 1849. OIC headquarters is in option A, Saudi Arabia. After Sui, which of the following is the second largest gas field in Pakistan? Option A, Murray. Guided democracy convey the meaning of option B, strong executive government. Bali is an island of option B, Malaysia. Panda by origin belongs to option A, China. Ice melting at poles is because of option B, global warming. Cause of depletion of ozone is option B, chlorofluorocarbons. What is meant by Grand Prix? Option B, the chief event. Who is the author of the book The Military and Politics in Pakistan? Option D, Hassan Askari Rizvi. Pakistan Forest Institute is located in option D, Peshawar. Human body's normal temperature in Celsius is option A, 37 degrees centigrade. After independence in 1947, who was the first Chief Minister of Punjab? Option D, Iftikhar Hussain Mahmud. Which cell has no nucleus? Option A, RBC, red blood cells. The first coin of Pakistan was designed by option C, Brandley. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are in option C, Indian Ocean. What is Scotland Yard? Option B, British Criminal Investigation Department. What is Scotland Yard? Option B, British Criminal Investigation Department. The Earth is moving constantly. Option A, 8 planets. Gobi Desert is located in option A, Asia. Hambantota is seaport of option C, Sri Lanka. Identify the two varieties of cotton crop introduced by the Atomic Energy Commission of Pakistan, which increased its production by 3 million bales to 9 million bales. Option A, Nib and Karishma. The number of the nuclear medicine centers where cancer patients are treated in Pakistan are option B, 12. Kirkuk oil field is in option B, Iraq. Which vitamin protects the skin of human body? Option A, vitamin A. Identify the wrong statement. Option C, lacrimal glands secret saliva. Dover Strait separates option C, England from France. Lombok Strait is in option A, Indonesia. Which of the following statement describes the term real politic? Option B, naked struggle for power and ruthless pursuit of self-interest. Sea of Galilee is in Israel. Hazrat Data Ganj Baksh came to Lahore for the preaching of Islam in uh, 1039 AD from? Option C, Ghazni. The headquarters of Universal Postal Union is in? Option D, Burney. Identify the five official languages of UN. Option B, English, Russian, French, Spanish, and Chinese. Indicate the total number of European Union members. Option C, 28. Delta is an airline of? Option D, United States. What percentage of Palestinian land is under occupation of Israel? Option B, 78%. Nagorno and Karabakh is a disputed territory between? Option A, Armenia and Azerbaijan. Identify the capital of Vietnam. Option A, Hanoi. According to the UN report, 33 million people in the world are suffering from? Option C, HIV/AIDS. The election slogan of Obama was? Option B, Change We Need. WTO is headed by? Option B, Pascal Lamy. The line separating India from China is? Option B, McMahon Line. The main theme of this passage is that? Option B, the people of good character should be chosen from government offices. In this passage, the word foible is nearest meaning to? Option C, weakness. Identify the contribution of Hazrat Abu Huraira in Islamic history. Option D, he quoted largest number of hadiths. The resting place of Imam Bukhari is in? Option D, Uzbekistan. Which of the following title best describes the contents of this passage? Option C, character of public servants. The first Indian Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru, backed out of his promise of plebiscite in Kashmir in 1948 on the pretext of? Option A, Pakistan was sending infiltrators in the valley to fight against the Indian Army. United States has taken one of the following steps to take the child labor abuses in the world. Option B, US will not import such goods which are manufactured with forced child labor. The word philately means? Option B, collection of stamps. Which one of the following proposals was not presented by Pakistan to India for nuclear disarmament in South Asia? Option D, signing of Number of War Pact. What is understood by brinkmanship? Option C, the art of following a dangerous plan as far as safety allows. What is correct about Y2K? Option C, a computer problem. Which of the following statement is not true? Option D, the World Bank finances all kind of capital infrastructure such as roads, railways, telecommunications, seaports, and power facilities in the developing countries. OPEC's largest oil producing country is in Saudi Arabia. Which of the following country hosts the largest number of world refugees? Option C, Germany. When the stock market is going down, it is called bearish. The eighth consortium has now been renamed as Pakistan Development Forum. Fiber optics technology is being used in? Option A, telecommunications. Under the Bishkek Declaration 1999, Russia, China, and three Central Asian states, i.e., Tajikistan, Kyrgyzstan, and Kazakhstan, agreed on fighting against international terrorism. Study of human races is option C, anthropology. Marco Polo was option B, traveler. East India Company was established during the period of option A, Jahangir. The ration of males and females population is equal in option D, Rawalpindi. It's only the ratio of males and females. Most subways are in option B, Russia. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. An eminent Sufi saint, Hazrat Imam Shami, who spread Islam in Russia, was option B, Dagestani. Father of computer is Charles Babbage. Three Gorges Tame is in option A, USA. Winner of Oscar Award movie in 2009 is option B, Water. 1 metric ton is equal to option C, 1000 kg. Which of the following Central Asian state is enriched with the world's largest mineral resources? Option B, Kazakhstan. The science which studies the hereditary resemblance and differences among organization of different generation is called option C, genetics. Chronometer is used to measure option A, time. Anemometer is used to measure option A, force of wind. Edible oil is Pakistan's major import item. Which of the following steps is more pragmatic to reduce its import? Option A, to encourage farmers to grow canola seed. Hung parliament is no single party has the majority. Which place of Balochistan is famous for pista nuts? Option C, Kila Saifullah. The Church of Saint Sophia is among the seven wonders of the world. It is situated in option A, Istanbul. Country with the largest Kurd population is option C, Turkey. The name of the US military commander in Afghanistan is option C, General David Frias. Panjshir Valley of Afghanistan is in the province of option C, Badakhshan. No dynasty lasts more than 3 generations is theory of option C, Ibn Khaldun. Alaska was formerly part of option C, Russia. Formerly Soviet Union had republics. Option C, 15. The UN Security Council adopted its first plebiscite resolution on Kashmir on option B, January 20, 1948. The Great Leap Forward was option B, Chinese Economic Program. FATA consists of Desh agencies and Desh frontier region. Option A, 7 agencies and 6 frontier regions. A condominium is option a particular territory over which joint Dominion is exercised by two or more external power. President of Russia Federation is option A Vladimir Putin. A vassal state is option A one which is completely under the sovereignty of another state.